Okay, guys, look at this particular question. He said, find QSR. They're talking about the angle QSR. That is this angle here. This is QSR. That is the angle here, is what they're looking to find. Okay, now they told you that PR is the diameter. That means PR, this line PR here, pass through the center of the circle. So that should give you a hint that this triangle PSR is on a semicircle. And we know that there's a rule that said the angle on a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So that means that PSR is equal to what? 90-degree angle on a semicircle, because this is the diameter from the question. The PR is diameter, so that means the angle here is 90 degree. Okay, having known that, let's consider this triangle PTR. This triangle PTR. This triangle now. There's a rule that said that the exterior angle, that is this angle here, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Look at the two opposite interior angles, 30 and 35 is going to give you the angle here. So 30 plus 35 degree is going to give us 65 degree. But that is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to two opposite interior. Okay, so that means we've gotten here to be what? 65. Here is now 65. I can just write here 65 degree. The entirety of here is 90 from the rule of triangle, or the angle on a semicircle is what? 90 degree. Okay, now it is easier because we are told to find QSR. Look at QSR. That is this smaller angle here, the first one that I painted. This one here is the one you're told to find. But since the entire of here is 90 degree, that is what we're going to do is 90 minus the angle here. Now, how do you get the angle here? Notice that this angle here that we found, it has the same segment as this angle at S here. That is, the angle here and the angle here are still lying on the same segment of this circle. So that means the angle here should be equal to the angle here. Since the one here and here are equal, that means the one here and here should also be equal to 65 degree, which is same value as here, 65 degree. Now the entire of here, that simply means that even the entire angle here is equal to the entire angle here, right? Because both of them are having the same diameter. Okay, so that means here to get QSR is going to be, since the entire of the angle at S is 90 from the angle on a semicircle, so 90 minus 65, which is what? 25 degree, and this is the correct option. So QSR is 25 degree.